again, welcome to my YouTube channel, The FX, where we teach you everything about the financial market, everything about the Forex and crypto market. Talking about the theoretical aspect, talking about the practical aspect, where we actually teach you how to trade the financial market, how to thrive in the financial market. I go by the name Province Peters, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are coming across my video for the first time, please do want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit the notification button. So a quick one, there's something that I want to talk about concerning risk management when it comes to trading. Risk management is a very important aspect of trading, where a lot of traders get tested, like when it comes to risk management. And it's a very important aspect of trading that we don't have to joke with. We don't have to joke with it. As a trader, you don't have to joke with your risk management strategy. You have to devise a way. You have to devise a means of which you manage your risks. Make sure you are minimizing your risks and maximizing your profit as a trader. And risk management it's something that most traders tend to joke with when it comes to trading. You see people stacking, you see people going into a single trade with a lot size that's supposed to use for like 5 trades, or you see people not knowing how to calculate their risk properly, or knowing how to manage their risk properly, or knowing how to manage trade when they are on the winning trade. And that is a problem that most traders, most new beginners traders are having. And it has it occurred to me to come out here and speak about it, and also provide an avenue where I'll tell you, if you know as a trader you're having problem with risk management and you want me to help you devise a risk management plan, a plan that can help you manage your risk in trading in whenever you approach the Forex market, you want me to help you devise that means, please, you can slide into our DM, contact us in any of our social media handle, be it WhatsApp, be it Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and tell us your problem of where the area you're having issues on risk management, and we do our best to make sure we give you a proper risk management plan. There's a saying that whatever you do in the Forex market, make sure you remain in the game, because you don't know when that trade will come, that trade that can change your life. So always you need to have a proper risk management plan that protects you and keep you in the market. Always don't forget, you need to stay in the game. You don't need to be out of the game. So that's all for risk management. And if you want me to help you, like I said earlier on, you can contact us and we'll help you to provide a proper risk management plan that will help you stay consistently profitable in the Forex market. Once again, I'm Province Peters. Thank you and